Alright y'all, today we are going to be making Ratatouille. No, not the movie, but the food. And this is an amazing summer and fall vegan dish. Before this, we got some olive oil, some salt, basil, oregano, black pepper, and parsley. We have eggplant, zucchini, yellow squash, a couple red bell peppers, some tomatoes, a couple heads of garlic, and an onion. But before we get to cooking, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let's get to cooking. Alright y'all, so we're going to start with just roasting some of our veggies. Go ahead, cut your garlic straight in half. Take our bell peppers. Then we're just going to take our onion and quarter it. Alright, so we have all of that put on a cutting board. We're going to take our tomatoes, now I'm going to be using 6 of them. Go ahead, just hit that with a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of salt. Now we have our oven preheated to 400 degrees. We're going to throw these in there and roast them for about 25 or so minutes until they get a nice char. So let's get that going. Alright y'all, so while those cook, we've gone ahead, washed off our eggplants, our zucchini, and our squash. Then we're just going to go ahead and slice about 1/4 inch thickness slices. Now in a perfect world, all 3 of our food items here would be the exact same diameter or pretty similar. Unfortunately, I do not live in a perfect world. And we're going to slice these about 1/4 inch thick as well. You can peel your zucchini if you want. You don't have to. That's a personal choice for you. Alright y'all, so we have these sliced up. We're going to set these to the side and wait for our other vegetables to come out of the oven. At that point I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, so real quick, almost forgot, we also need to take the rest of our tomatoes. So I got 5 remaining tomatoes. Need to slice them as well. Alright y'all, just came out of the oven. We're going to let it cool for just a minute so we can handle it without burning ourselves. And we're going to move over to a blender. Alright y'all, so we're just going to start dropping everything in our blender. Alright, once we get our veggies all blended up, we're going to take a 1/4 teaspoon of our black pepper, teaspoon of salt, tablespoon of parsley, tablespoon of basil, tablespoon of oregano. We're going to go ahead and get this well blended. Once we have it well blended, we're going to go ahead and move back over to our veggies and start assembling. Alright, so we have our cast iron skillet. You do not have to use a cast iron skillet if you don't want to. You can use any other type of baking dish. We're going to pour our sauce in. Then we're going to take eggplant, tomato, zucchini, squash and eggplant again, like so. And we're just gonna start layering it in. I'm gonna do mine, I'll bring you back. Alright, y'all, so once we have it assembled, we're gonna put it in the oven at 400 degrees for about 30 to 45 minutes, or until the top is nice and done. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright, y'all, there we have it. You can serve this up as a vegan main dish, or you can serve this as a side dish. But if you like this video, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button down below. There's a video over here that YouTube thinks you should watch. And until next time, keep on cooking on.